Hello guys, welcome to the IELTS Styles. I am Janvi and today we are going to talk about vocabulary as known as lexical resources related to crime and law. It is the episode number 22 and you can check all the previous episodes on our channel. Let's see what we covered in the last episode. The first word was disastrous. It is an adjective, and a disastrous event has extremely bad consequences and effects. The second word was mandatory. It is an adjective, and if an action or procedure is mandatory, people have to do it because it is a rule or a law. The third word was heinous. It is an adjective, and if you describe something such as a crime as heinous, you mean that it is extremely evil or horrible. Now, before moving to our next words, I want to announce that we are providing writing correction service. And if you are stuck at a band 6.5 or less in writing, you can join our Facebook group, and it is really helpful and you can join it, and the link is in the description box, so don't forget to check it. Our first word is imminent. It is an adjective, and if you say that something is imminent, especially something unpleasant, you mean it is almost certain to happen very soon. Let's look at some of the synonyms. Near, coming, or close. Let's look at the example. There appeared no imminent danger. Let's go for the collocations. Imminent danger, imminent collapse, imminent arrival. Let's go for the grammar part. Imminent is also an uncountable noun. Imminence, and the imminence of, and the example could be the imminence of war was on everyone's mind, and the adverb is imminently. Let's go for our next word, stringent. It is also an adjective, and stringent laws, rules, or conditions are very severe or are strictly controlled. Let's look at the synonyms. Strict, tough, rigorous, demanding. Let's go for the example now. Its drug testing procedures are the most stringent in the world. That means the drug testing procedure should be strict and it should be taken care of. So let's go for the collocations. Stringent control, stringent regulation, more stringent. Let's go for the grammar part. Adverb is stringently. The example could be, he is determined to see the act enforced more stringently. It is also an uncountable noun, stringency. Let's look at our third word, petty. It is also an adjective, and you can use petty to describe things such as problems, rules, or arguments which you think are unimportant or relate to unimportant things. If you describe someone's behavior as a petty, you mean that they care too much about small and unimportant things, and perhaps they are unnecessarily unkind. Let's look at the synonyms. Small-minded, mean, grudging. Let's look at the example. And endless rules and petty regulations. I think that attitude is a bit petty. Let's go for the collocations. Petty cash, petty crime, petty officer, petty theft. Let's look at the grammar part. It is also an uncountable noun, pettiness, and the example could be, never had she met such spite and pettiness. So in the next video we will cover the word deleterious, ruthless, amend, and many more. Until then, like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to join our Facebook group. Thank you so much.